Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will explain the best way to understand core carrier features on Android phone in Infinix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone dialpad right here. So I'm going to click on here. So it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top side right here. Click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for carrier features. It's going to take you right here. Now, what this carrier feature simply means on Android phone is that if you are using dual SIM phone and then you have inserted the two SIM card on your phone, it simply means that each time you want to make a call, you have to make sure that which one you want to use as a call credit and which one you want to use from for data, as the case may be. So for you to choose that, you have to make sure you click on make calls with this. So you have to, so it's going to take you right here. Now, at this section here, you have three options here. Make call with your SIM 1, make call with your SIM 2, or ask first. So in the regard of asking first, this simply means that if you want to be switching from one SIM to another, it is best practice to make it as a ask first. But if you don't want it that way, you want to have a fixed SIM card for phone call, simply select the SIM card you would like to be using as your default phone call. And when you select the SIM card as your default phone call, it simply means that each time you want to make call on your phone, the SIM card is going to be automatically available. Whether you have call credit on the same line or you do not have call credit on the same line is going to be permanent. So basically, this is what you need to understand as far as core carrier features is concerned on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.